Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about Robo-Advisors.
Who are they? What do they want? And how long till they take over the world?
But in all seriousness, what are Robo-Advisors and how do they work? Hi, my name is Bob, and recently I've become interested in investing. But investing is super hard. I mean, it can be so confusing, all the technical jargon, like earnings per share. What does that even mean? In fact, I'd almost given up, and then someone told me about Robo-Advisors from iInvest, and that's when everything changed. I bought one off of Amazon for $9.95, and my life has completely changed. Did I say that yet? My Robo-Advisor gives me personalized advice so I know exactly what to invest in. No more guessing, no more losses, just profits. I've made so much money, I don't even know what to do with it. And you know what's even more? It cleans my floors while giving me personalized investing advice. Thank you, iInvest, for giving me a cleaner, brighter future. So I hope you guys enjoyed that spoof commercial. We spent a lot of time on it and it was a lot of fun to make, so you should definitely smash the like button to show your appreciation. Okay, time to be serious now. So what exactly is a robo-advisor? So basically, a robo-advisor is a series of computer servers that auto-magically buys investments. How do you like that word? Auto-magically. Unfortunately, I didn't make it up. I really wish I had, though. I'd feel much better about myself. And they do this through the use of sophisticated computer algorithms. And these algorithms take into consideration things like your risk and your age and what your goals are for the future. So when you open an account with a robo-advisor like Betterment or M1 Finance, it asks you a series of questions, and then based on your answers to the things like your risk, tolerance, and your age, etc., it builds a portfolio specifically for you. And the robo-advisor automates the asset allocation via the computer algorithm that I mentioned before. Now, this isn't all a robo-advisor does, though. All robo-advisors will rebalance your investments automatically, which means that if the proportions of your funds drift from your original choices, the bot will buy and sell shares automatically to return your portfolio to your original choices. So let's say you start with an 80% stock, 20% bond asset allocation. Now assume that stocks increase in value more than bonds, so that now your portfolio percentages grow to 90% stocks and 10% bonds. The platform will sell some stocks and buy more bonds to return to your pre-decided 80% stock, 20% bond mix. This can be really helpful. So this is really helpful in saving you a lot of time, and I personally think this is a super cool feature. Another feature of a robo-advisor is what's called tax loss harvesting. Many robo-advisors will sell losing investments and replace them with others to offset gains and reduce your overall tax bill. And again, this can be a great money and time-saving benefit and is a great strategy for taxable investment accounts. But wait, what's the downside here? The downside is that most robo-investment services fail to beat the overall market, meaning that they do not provide higher returns than simply investing in a single market index ETF like the S&P 500 index. Take last year for an example. In 2019, the S&P 500 fund had a return of over 31%, which is huge. However, my Betterment portfolio did not see these kinds of returns. Now, many people would say that beating the overall market is not nearly as important, and ultimately minimizing risk is the most important thing. But of course, everyone has to decide for themselves what is most important to them. Personally, I think minimizing my risk is more important than making higher returns. Another downside is that some robo-advisors charge fees, like Betterment, for example, who charges a 0.25% fee annually. Though these fees are quite low, they can take away from your profits. Versus if you DIY invested through a platform like Robinhood, for instance, you wouldn't have to pay any fees. Of course, you miss out on some of the features that I mentioned before because Robinhood is not a robo-advisor. However, M1 Finance is a great robo-advisor and does not charge any fees, though they might not have all of the same features as Betterment or others, so I definitely would recommend looking at several before choosing one to invest. Now, I use Betterment to invest a portion of my portfolio, and I think that it can be a really great asset to an investor, especially one who is just getting started and might not be sure how to go about building their own portfolio.
And if this interests you, make sure and check out this video where I share my 2019 returns through investing with Betterment.
So no, you can't go on Amazon and buy a robo-advisor that will give you great investing advice as well as vacuum your floors. Although that would be pretty cool. All right, well, I hope that this video was informative as well as entertaining. And go ahead and leave a comment down below and share your thoughts. I would love to hear from you, and I'm sure others would too. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys next time.